Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan. As you can see, my boss wants to receive the sent image in PDF. He wants to convert the table into Excel spreadsheet and he wants to receive the openings which are in PDF in DWG file. And I know how to solve this problem. Plan form is the only solution to all these problems. Just go ahead and download it from the link given below in the video description, and once installed, just double click on the icon available on the desktop. As you can see, this is a friendly interface, and as you can see, we have this convert tab, and over here we have image to PDF, and then of course the PDF to AutoCAD, and this is what the boss wants. Further, as you can see in the OCR, we have extract table, and this is the same thing which the boss wants. So let me use each functionality one by one so we can understand all these problems. First of all, let me just go ahead and click on the convert, and then of course I'm going to click on the image to PDF. Now I can drag the file over here, or maybe I can click on this add button, which is a small button. You can see it over here. I'm just going to click on that. And then I'm going to navigate to the same folder where I have that image file. As you can see, I have on the desktop. I'm going to specify that, and then I'm going to click on the open. Next, I can change the save path by clicking on these three dots, and of course I'm happy with the desktop. I'm going to click on the save, and then of course I'm going to click on the convert, and that's done. Let me just click on the minimize, and then of course we have this image to PDF. It's been converted. As you can see, this is now in PDF file. You can right click and then of course click on the properties to confirm its PDF. Let's jump again into the plain form, and then I'm going to click on the convert, and then of course I'm going to click on the PDF to CAD. As you can see, this is a dialog box where here I'm going to click on the add, and then I'm going to specify the same file. This is just a PDF file, and of course we have some openings like doors. I'm going to specify that, and then I'm going to click on the open. I can even remove some files if I want. Next, I'm going to click on the convert. We can of course change the save path as well, and that's done. I'm going to click on the OK, and let's confirm it's over here. That's the opening, in which is of course the file type, that is DWG file. You can go ahead and open it within AutoCAD. Next, I have this table, which is just the same thing as coordinates, easting, northing, and then elevation. This is a topographic survey. Now I want to convert the same table, which is in PDF, into Excel file. I'm going to click on the cross, and then of course I'm going to jump into the same plain form. I'm going to click on the file, and then of course I'm going to click on the open, and then we will specify the same table file. You can see it's over here, the table. It is of course a PDF file. I'm going to click on the open. I'm going to click on the OCR, and then of course extract table. We can also use the shortcut which is E. Let's click on the extract table. Now we have to specify a window. Like as you can see, I'm going to click on the top left corner of the same table, and then of course the bottom right corner, as I'm doing. As you can see, we got a dialog box, and over here we have the export mode, and I'm going to click on the same button, which is these three dots, and of course I'm going to specify the desktop, that is OK, and let's say table Excel. Let's click on the save, and now in the export mode I'm happy with the new Excel file, so I'm going to click on the extract. As you can see, that's done, and this is the same table and the same topographic survey. We can of course edit it. So this is how we can convert a PDF table into Excel file. Thanks for watching.